Today, I'm sharing 13 ways to make your home look expensive from Lowe's because they are so much more than just your local home improvement store. You may not realize it, but Lowe's is full of ideas and inspiration for every room of your home. Not only are they an affordable resource, but they're on trend and stylish. I'm going to take you through each room of your home and show you how to get a high-end look for less. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm sharing my favorite finds that you're going to want to see. A big thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring today's video. For anyone new, I'm Nikki D, your go-to resource for design inspiration, furniture, and decor to make your home look like you hired a designer. If you're not already subscribed, hit that bell to get a notification for a new video every Sunday. Links to shop, follow, and learn with me are in the description box below. There's also a blog post with all this information that you can bookmark and save to Pinterest to refer back to at any time. Now let's get shopping. We'll start with decor because if you've ever walked into a space that feels off or incomplete, chances are it's what's missing. Decor is the finishing touch that ties a room together and carries your eye throughout a space. It's also used to add interest and personality. Number 1, plants and greenery. The first thing I saw when I walked into Lowe's was all the cute greenery that would be perfect for any room. There are so many benefits to adding greenery to your home. Aside from adding color, texture, and life, it'll inspire creativity, absorb noise, lower stress and anxiety, boost your mood, and make you sleep better. So many things. Lowe's had vases and planters that would work with any design style from boho to modern and traditional. For help finding your design style, take the quiz below. Lowe's had a selection of neutral planters that could go with your current decor or ones to add a pop of color. This is a place where you can get creative and express your personality. For example, I'm currently obsessed with planters that have faces on them. I think they're so cute and a great conversation starter. My husband recently broke one of mine, so I picked up this one for $6.50. It's perfect for the front porch or styled with existing decor in the living room. Number 2, area rugs. Believe it or not, Lowe's can be a resource for affordable rugs that have a high-end look. Rugs are used to ground your seating arrangement, define zones in open floor plans, and add a cozy feeling to a room. Lowe's has a nice selection, but I'll just highlight 2 that caught my eye. One is from the Origin 21 line and the other from Allen & Roth. You'll hear these 2 name brands mentioned throughout this video. The products are stylish and right on trend. You're gonna love them as much as I do. For contemporary modern spaces, this Origin 21 Contempo rug is $279 for an 8x10. It has a soft low pile with a neutral base and accents of color. If you prefer a more traditional or transitional vibe, this Allen & Roth Miriam rug, originally $349, is on sale for $174. It has a blue base with neutral rust and golden accents. Either rug would be great to use as a jumping off point to create your color scheme. Watch this video for help creating a color scheme for any living space. Aside from area rugs, a great way to elevate the look of your basement, playroom, or outdoor space is with carpet tile. This is a great DIY project that you can do yourself, and it'll give you the look of wall-to-wall carpet. We had these floor tiles in our basement and then moved them up into a spare bedroom. They're so easy to clean and super durable. They cost $1.52 for a square foot, and there's a calculator on the website to help you figure out how much you need. For example, if I was to redo this 10x20 room, the cost would be about $630 and I would need 6 boxes. Number 3, mirrors. Lowe's has a selection of affordable mirrors that are stylish and functional. Mirrors make a room feel expansive and reflect light. This round gold mirror for $60 would be perfect over a bathroom vanity, dresser, or console table. This recessed mirror for $134 has a similar look to this style that costs $349. If you have a small bathroom and need to add storage, it's a great option because it can be recessed in the wall. Lowe's also had a version of the trending arch mirror that's all the rage at the moment. It's part of the Origin 21 line for just under $90 and is a look for less to the high-end arch mirror in the same size that goes for $398. I talked in depth about the current design trends in this video. Number 4, baskets. You may have noticed designer spaces have cute rattan baskets with pillows or blankets draped out of them or lined at the bottom of a console table. They add both style and practicality to a space. You can use them to store books, remotes, shoes, toys, or anything you want to keep out of sight. Lowe's had a selection of affordable options to get this look in your home. A few that stood out are this Origin 21 rope basket for just under $12. It has a leather strap detail that gives it an elevated look. There's also a larger size for just under $16. This stylish natural basket by Allen & Roth is only $30, and it'll give you the look for less of this basket that costs $267. If you have a console table that has the shelf at the bottom, you could line it with 3 baskets. Each one would cost $25 and is similar in style to this rattan basket that costs $60 each. They're great for adding texture, a natural element, and storage. I linked these and others in the description below. For anyone who has a child going off to college, this cube storage for $35 is perfect to replace the dresser in a room. It adds storage plus an extra surface area on top for displaying photos, decor, or books. You can choose neutral baskets, patterns, mix and match, or add a pop of color. The baskets are $6 each, so for $65, you could replace the cost of a dresser. This is exactly what we got from my daughter for her off-campus college room in Hawaii, and it worked out perfectly. I highly recommend it. Number 5, accent chairs. Gone are the days of the sofa and love seat combo. Look at any well-designed space and you'll notice they include an accent chair. Some spaces have a pair of chairs opposite the sofa or one with a side table and floor lamp for a corner moment. My Lowe's had this neutral swivel chair that's perfect for any style of home. It can be added to your living room, bedroom, home office, or any space that you want to add extra seating. The best part is with the swivel chair, you can turn to face the action no matter where it's at. They also had this tufted back chair for $329, which has a more transitional vibe. I talked in detail all things accent chairs in this video. Just a side note, even if you're only adding accent chairs, you still need to measure and create a floor plan. It's the only way that you'll know your furniture will fit and you'll avoid returns. For help measuring and creating your floor plan, download the free step-by-step detailed PDF guide in the description below. Trust me, it'll be super helpful and you could thank me later. Lowe's also has the laser measure that's recommended in the PDF to save time when measuring, especially in large spaces. It's just under $60 and I linked it below. Number 6, peel and stick wallpaper. This is a great way to add an elevated look whether you rent or own. The beauty of peel and stick wallpaper is that it's easy to install and remove. It could be used to add an accent wall, line a bookshelf, or add texture to your furniture. This is a product that allows you to get creative and show your personal style. Real grass cloth wallpaper like this is very expensive, but there are several options to get a similar look for less. They have patterns like geometrics, florals, faux brick, and so many more. They're perfect to update any space from traditional to boho and modern. Either one of these peel and stick subway tile patterns for under $20 would work to update an apartment kitchen backsplash or to be a temporary solution while you save up for a big remodel. Number 7, peel and stick tile. Another way to update or add a backsplash to your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room is with peel and stick tile. It's way more affordable than hiring a contractor to install the real deal, especially if you only want a temporary solution. There are several options, including this faux marble subway tile for $9.59 or this hexagon pattern for $11.58. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like and smash that subscribe button. I drop a new video every Sunday that I really think you'll enjoy, so hit the bell to get a notification. Number 8, lighting. Lowe's has a fabulous selection of lighting for any room of your home. Look at any high-end designer space and you'll find layered lighting. This means that there's a combination of general, accent, task, and natural lighting. For example, if you have the classic booth fixture in your home, you could update it with a more stylish and current chandelier for general or ambient lighting. For a modern contemporary look, check out the fixtures from the Origin 21 collection. By now you know I'm a fan of gold, but many of the styles are available available in black, bronze, and brushed silver. The prices range from $150 to $300, which is super affordable for stylish lighting. This mixed material chandelier has walnut and brushed gold for only $320. It'll add warmth and sophistication to any space. If you have a low ceiling, a semi-flush mount fixture like this black drum light for $130 or this modern semi-flush for $80 are both on trend. Lowe's also had a large selection of pendant lights, which will add task lighting to your kitchen island or accent lighting in your bedroom or living room. This Allen & Roth mini pendant is super affordable at $50 and could work in transitional to modern spaces. This rattan pendant is an affordable update for coastal or boho rooms. I found this pendant light on the website for $109, which is a look for less to the Hinckley pendant, also on Lowe's for $429. There's also an entire custom section where you can choose your canopy and shade style to create a more personalized look. Task lighting is another way to make your home look expensive. Lowe's had a variety of table lamps to elevate the look of your room, like this textured organic black lamp that could go on either side of your sofa or your bedroom nightstands. This Allen & Roth buffet lamp would add a designer touch to a console table, and then for coastal spaces, this rattan lamp would elevate your interior design. There's also a whole mix and match section for lamps where you could choose the base and shade for an original look. Table lamps add function, texture, style, and color to a room. Even if you don't have access to an outlet nearby, you could add this cute LED touch lamp anywhere. Once it's charged, you simply tap the top and choose between daylight, soft white, and warm light. It's perfect for a coffee table, sofa table, dorm room, or kitchen island. It's so cute. To learn more about how to add layered lighting to your home, watch this video. Moving on, number 9, dimmer switches. These are a must to set the mood and atmosphere in a room. Chandeliers, sconces, hi-hats, under-counter lighting, pendant lights, and most any type of lighting can be added to a dimmer switch. It allows you to adjust the lighting depending on the activity and create ambiance. Lowe's has a wide selection of dimmer switches, including the Lutron brand, which has a high-tech design that'll give your home an elevated look. You can also change out your switch plates for a designer touch. The next group of products are from the kitchen and bath department, which is where style meets function. You may think it's too expensive to touch these rooms without doing a full remodel, but that's not true. Changing out small things can have a big impact and make a statement. Number 10, update your kitchen faucet. This Kohler brushed brass kitchen faucet has a sleek, modern design that's right on trend and will add an elevated look. Of course, I love the gold finish, but there are actually 5 other options available if it's not for you. Your kitchen faucet is a place where you can go trendy because it's not super expensive like a hard finish to change out later. Where you want to go classic and timeless are your cabinets, countertop, backsplash, and flooring because they're all expensive to change. Just go with the boring subway tile for your backsplash because it'll last and look current for many years. Lowe's is a great resource for white subway tiles in different styles and sizes. I have a whole blog post on grout colors and white subway tile, which is linked in the description below. Number 11, update your bathroom vanity. If you've been watching for a while, you know that fluted furniture is trending. I've talked about it in several videos, most recently this one. Bathroom remodels are expensive, but changing out your vanity is an affordable way to get an updated look. Lowe's had this fluted vanity from Allen & Roth, which is right on trend. It's available in grayish or white in multiple sizes. Just make sure that the grayish color goes with the undertones of your current hard finishes so that it doesn't clash. This vanity was styled in the store with a faucet and mirror similar to what we have in our bathroom. The high-end Kohler bathroom faucet is $973, but the Allen & Roth Look for Less is $103, which is amazing. It was paired with the round gold mirror that I showed you earlier. An important designer pro tip when choosing a faucet is to match your shower fixtures at the same time from the same collection. Different brands have different finishes and it's very difficult to mix and match. This applies to your shower rings, towel bars, and toilet holder unless you mix the metals like in this bathroom. Number 12, update your cabinet hardware. This is an inexpensive, affordable way to update the look of your kitchen, bathroom, or furniture. The orb ball knob is currently trending, and Lowe's has a look for less for a fraction of the price. Just make sure that the finish is the same when you're matching your drawer pulls to your knobs. There's also this knob and pull from the Allen Roth collection for a high-end look. The thing that makes designer spaces special is the attention to detail. You'll notice small touches like adding something as simple as this wall mount bottle opener for $4.78 to your bar area. It's not only fun, but it'll be the talk of the party. It was located with the knobs and door handles, but I linked it below so you could just order it online. Number 13, paint. By far, the most affordable way to update any room on a budget is with paint. For under $100, you can make a dramatic transformation. I won't go into detail about paint in this video, but let me know if you'd like to see one about it in the future with design tips and tricks for choosing paint colors. What I will say now is if you plan to paint yourself, I highly recommend that you invest in the Purdy brand rollers and brushes. Every paint contractor I've ever worked with uses them and recommends them. It's what I've also used for years, and I can't recommend it enough. You'll get a smooth application, and if you clean and take care of your brushes, they'll last for years. Now for a bonus tip. This last Lowe's product is perfect if you just moved into a new apartment or home, especially a new build. Most of the time, there are no window treatments. And my friend, if you don't already know, window treatments are expensive, especially designer quality. If you just moved in or are in the process of a remodel, you need to get these ready shades. You can get a 4-pack for just over $20, and they can be trimmed down to fit your window perfectly. There are light filtering, room darkening, and blackout options, which are great for bedrooms. If you're getting too much light in your room right now, you could just put them behind what you already have because they just stick right inside your windowsill. They're the best thing to hold you over until you're ready to invest in window treatments, because let me tell you, window treatments are an investment that will be in your home for many years. I know this was a lot of information, so take a deep breath and remember what I always say. Good design takes time, so don't rush the process. For a step-by-step guide to make your home look like you hired a designer, sign up for Designer Home 101 by clicking the link in the description below. In the easy-to-follow course, you'll learn to transform your home into a happy place that reflects your unique style and personality. No experience is necessary. You'll be guided every step of the way, from finding your style to adding the finishing touches that make a room feel complete. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Shop With Me Lowe's Roundup full of ideas to make your home look expensive for less. A big thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring today's video. Links to everything shared are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and leave a comment on what you'd like to see next below. For more design tips and inspiration, check out this video. Love you all so much and happy designing.